Four Corners is building some amazing homes in this new development of Staghorn. We're in Rutherford County, halfway between Murfreesboro and Shelbyville, and this is their poppy floor plan. You're really gonna love it a lot, I think. Hey, have a look, let me know what you think. Hey, that was the poppy floor plan from Four Corners here in Staghorn. Hey, if you want more information or you want to schedule a private tour, now is the time to reach out. Can't wait to hear from you.